Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Louis. If you're just stopping by for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and show me some love. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do this beautiful hairstyle. So if this is what you're interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. So I have this tiny rubber bands. So this is what we'll be using for today's hairstyle. So I'm just going in with my rat tail comb. So I'm going to pull everything backward and then pull out some portions from the side, from both sides rather, and then get the tiny rubber bands and hold them down. So now after tying it down, I'm going to put the hair in between it, just as seen in this video, and then pull it out. So I'm going to repeat the same step for the next one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So once I'm done with the last one, I'm going to carefully pull out the hair so it wouldn't look too tight. So now I will be curling the hair, but to prepare the hair before curling, I'll be using my argan oil. So I'm just going to apply a small amount on the hair. And then after that, I'm going in with my Tresemme heat control to protect the hair. So I'll be using my power drive curler in 32 to curl the hair. I wanted my curls to stay on the base, so I removed the thread from this donut ball, like the regular donut ball, and cut out a piece from the donut ball. So this is what I will be attaching to the hair, and then I'll be using my bobby pins to like secure it down. So then after that, I'm going to like place my curls on the net. So I have a very detailed video on this type of technique on how I placed the curls. So I'm going to leave some of the videos up there so you guys can go, watch them. I'm sorry guys, I didn't know my phone wasn't recording when I filmed this part of this video. So I was having space issue, so I shot this video alone and nobody was there to moderate for me, so I'm really sorry guys. I'm going to leave a video, a very detailed video on how to place your curls for this type of hairstyle up there, so you guys can go watch it. So I'll be using my chopsticks to cover the hole. So I'm just going to like spread the hair and place my chopsticks. So then after that, I'm going to get my ultra hose spray and then spray it. So once it dries up, I'm going to take out the chopsticks. So after I have successfully covered the openings on the hair, I'm going to use these accessories from Tony Jewelries to accentuate the hair. And so that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to do that before you leave. And also give this video a big thumbs up, like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know sharing is caring. And please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on my channel? Please leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.